Hi students, welcome to our mathematics class. In this class, I am going to explain a new chapter, chapter number 5, simplifications of numerical expressions. What is numerical expression? Here, there are basic operations, additions, subtractions, divisions, multiplications. In case any problem involves many operations, more than one operations are involved in any problem, that is called numerical expression. Here many operations are involved in that problem, then that is called numerical expression. Now simplification is nothing but solving that problem. Yes, to solve numerical expressions we have to follow one method. That method is called BODMAS method. Here, what is BODMAS method? Yes, see, before going to know about BODMAS method, see the steps to involve to solve the problem. What are the steps follow to solve the problem? You have to learn first. Step 1. Which operations you have to do? Brackets. You have to solve the brackets and clear the brackets. Whenever you solve the bracket, that bracket will be cleared. So here, what is the order of solving brackets? Here see, numbers are given. I have given numbers. Small bracket, first you have to solve and clear that bracket, and that problem comes into flower bracket. Then next you solve flower bracket, and then the result comes into square bracket. Then finally solve square bracket. In case brackets are given, first solve, many brackets are given, first solve small bracket is given as 1, and next bracket is called, this bracket is called, first this is small bracket, solve it, then after solving clear the bracket, then that result comes into flower bracket, then solve flower bracket, then and after solving flower bracket result comes into square bracket, then you have to solve the square bracket. This is the order of solving brackets. So step 1 is solving brackets. In case a problem is given with brackets, solve the brackets in this order. Okay, now step 2. After solving the brackets, go to OF operation. In case in the problem is given with OF, we have to solve OF operation. Here OF is nothing but multiplication. In the place of OF, you can write into, just into. So then I explain later when the problem OF is involved in problem, then I explain later. Here wherever OF comes, you can write in the place of OF, you can write just into. Multiplication you have to do. Okay, that is OF operation. Next step 3, division. First bracket, next OF. After solving OF, solve the divisions given in problem. After solving divisions, go to step 4. What is the step 4? Multiplications. Solve the multiplications. After solving multiplications, go to step 5. What is the step 5? Additions. If any case there are any additions are there, solve the additions. After step 5, after doing additions, go to step 6, that is do subtractions at the final stage. Then you will get a final result of the expression. This method is called BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. Why we can say BODMAS rule here? Here B for brackets, O for OF, D for division, M for multiplication, A for additions, S for subtractions. So in this order we have to solve the expressions. So that is why we can call that operation solving method is called expression solving method is called BODMAS rule. Now we solve one example. That example I have taken from exercise 5.1. So question number 1, simplify 16 divided by 2 into 7 plus 3 minus 9. Now we understood what is expression. Here numerical expression. This is called an expression made with numbers. Numerical expression. Expression is nothing but many operations involved in that numerical problems. Okay. Now see 16 divided by 2 into 7 plus 3 minus 9. As per order, check the first step. What is the first step? Step 1, brackets. Is there any problems? Is there any brackets in the given problem? No brackets. So step 1 about brackets. No brackets in the problem. So leave it. Forget about step 1. Now go to step 2. What is step 2? Of operation. Is there any of is given in this problem? No. Then forget about of operation. Then go to step 3. Step 3, after of operation, do division. What is division here? See, look at here. Yes, division is given. First solve division. Divide this, only division do. So 16 divided by 2 how much? 8. So that implies 16 divided by 2, 8. And remaining all write as it is. Don't change remaining numbers. Remaining all write as it is. Only division you do and write result here. And into 7 plus 3 minus 9 write as it is. Okay, now division is completed. And remaining all write as it is. Only division you have to do here. Next step 4. After doing division, step 4, do multiplication. Now only solve multiplication. Remaining write all as it is. Only multiplication you do. 8 7 are 56. Remaining write as it is. Don't change. Plus 3 minus 9. Now after step 4 multiplication, then step 5 addition. Now is there any additions? Do that only. Only additions you do. So 56 plus 3 how much? 59. So 59 and remaining write as it is. Only addition you do and remaining whatever given in the problem remaining write as it is. Now last step is after doing addition. Last step number 6 is subtraction. So 59 minus 9 is equal to 50. So this is the result of given expression. Once again, first to do division, result right here, and remaining all right as it is. And then next step multiplication, result right here, remaining all right as it is. Next step here addition, right here and remaining right as it is here. Remaining whatever given minus 3 after addition only minus 9 is there. Now final step is subtraction. So you got results. Okay, so we go to next problem, question number 2. Here see 72 divided by 3 of 2 plus 8 minus 3. Step 1, what is the step 1? Brackets. Is there any brackets here? No brackets are given. No brackets are given. So forget about brackets. Next step 2. What is step 2? Of operation. In BODMAS rule, B for brackets, no brackets. Next O for of. Yes, here given. Solve this. Of is already I told you. Of is nothing but into. So here see separately I have written here separately 3 of 2 is written as 3 into 2. This how to solve first. So 3 2s are 6. Remaining all right as it is only. Don't change any number. Whatever given right as it is except you are solving. So here solving result only have to write. What you are doing here? 3 of 2. 3 of 2 means 3 into 2. Half means into only, but separate here 3 of 2. See, 3 of 2 is nothing but 3 into 2, so 6. Okay, remaining all right as it is. Now, as per rule, after 3 into 6, yes, separately we have done, no? 3 2 are 6, half means into, so 3 2 are 6 right here, remaining all right as it is. Now, as per rules, brackets over, half is over, brackets are not there in this problem, so forget about is half, forget about brackets, and half is given. Solve the top problem, solve of operation solved here. Next step 3, we go to division. Yes, step 3 is division. Do division first. So 72 divided by 6, what is the result here? 12. 72 divided by 6, 6 12 6 12 are 72, no? So that is why divide means you get 12 plus remaining right as it is, don't change, only operation you do, result right here, remaining right as it is, plus 8 minus 3. Now, after addition, after division, you do multiplication. Is there any multiplication in this? Not there. So then next go to addition. Multiplication not there, so let's go to next step, addition. So addition do, you get 20, remaining right as it is, minus 3. So final step is subtraction, 17. Once again I will say, so first to do division, first to do half, first to do brackets. Now brackets are here, don't worry about brackets. Second half is given in BODMAS rule, B for brackets, no brackets, half for O for half. Yes, do half. Half means what? Into 3 2 are 6. Then remaining right as it is. Now after half operation, division operation. BOD, BOD. Here B for bracket, no brackets. O for half done. Half means into, done. Yes, 3 2 are 6. Next D for division. Yes, do division now. Now do division. Do, and result right here. Remaining right as it is. Don't change remaining numbers, as it is you write with symbols. Okay. Now after D, what is that? BODMAS, M for multiplication, no multiplication, and A for mass, MAS, M for multiplication, no multiplication. Next A, addition, A for addition, do addition. Yes, right here, and remaining as it is you write, whatever given remaining as it is you write, only what you are doing, that result only here right here, remaining right as, remaining is minus 3 as it is you write. Now finally S for, in BODMAS final last one is S for subtraction. So we got 17 as a result. Okay, now yes, I want to solve some more questions here. See, 8 into 9 divided by 9 plus 10 divided by 5 minus 3. Here no brackets, no. Second step, first step brackets not there. Second step halves not there. Third step divisions. Yeah, here division, do this division 1, do this division 2. 10 divided by 5 2. Yes, remaining right as is, only result of this two division, result of this division 1, and this division result 2. Remaining all as it is you write. See, 8 into this division result 1 plus 10 divided by 5, result is 2 minus 3. Only results see right here. Next step. Next come to after divisions, what? Multiplication. In BODMAS rule, next division after division, multiplication. 8 1 are 8. Remaining plus 2 minus 3 right as it is. Now 8 1 are 8, result right here. Now after multiplications, additions. So 10 8 2 8 plus 2 10 minus, then remaining is minus 3 right as it is. Last operation is subtraction. So in BODMAS rule, last operation is subtraction. 10 minus 3 is 7. So finally this value is 7. Yes, last question. See, fourth question I think for today. Here division you do first, no brackets, no offs. Third step is division. So division, see, if it multiplies 3 times, it divides 3 times, say 2.06 into 3 times, you will get this. So that means divide means you will get 3. So and remaining right as it is. Now after the division, what is that multiplication? Is there any multiplication? No. So then after multiplication, what is there? Addition. Do addition. Addition, what see, I am not doing this. Why? This is subtracting value. So I am adding these two first. Positives I added. This is positive number, this is also positive number. Positive numbers I wrote together and added, and this negative number means minus subtracting number. I lost, I will so I will do subtraction last, so I write here as it is. First addition I did, positive numbers added, subtracting value keep it side as it is. Now I am adding these two, so you go to 18.4 plus 3 is equal to 21.4. So last is after addition, last one is subtraction. So you know subtraction. So when we are writing decimals, write as it is. Decimals should be write in same line. First place, this is first place. Ones place should write in same place. This is tens place. Now first decimal 4, first decimal 0, second decimal 8. Here second decimal not there, 0. So now subtract. You know subtractions, you will get so borrow 10 minus 8 2. Here borrow no 3 minus 0 3. Here 1 borrow. Here 11 minus 5 6. Here borrow no, here 1 will be remain 1. So 16.32. That's all for today. We will discuss remaining tomorrow.